Hi, bonjour. Today I want to show you how I made these little clips to fasten your LED strip under a counter or a ceiling, or like me outside under my roof. For building these little clips yourself, it's very easy. You just use a piece of scrap aluminum like this one, and with simple tools you can make those little clips in almost no time. I use metal scissors and I use these pliers here that I have, but you could use these too. I also need a drill with a drill bit to make the holes, and for the screws I use the Drill X self-drilling screws, self-drilling metal screws. I use 8 by half. Half is the length, and the 8 is the tip of your screwdriver bit. Let's make one. I already have one here. You can see I can use that to make one. So. The drill bit I use is an 1/8 of an inch, so you have a perfectly fit clip that the screws won't fall down, so you can easily attach this. So that's it for clips.